Welcome to everyone. I am Manjunath. In 10x communication activities, we have seen about ChatGPT, AR, VR, and we have seen about the no-code tools and many more. In this video, we'll see about some of the generative AI tools that are going evolving more and more in technology right now. So, what is mean by this artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is like giving intelligence to the machine. Is like artificial intelligence. It is like a super intelligent human being is with you. Yeah, like you can see that if there is a the person who can answer your queries and the person who can if you are any like if you are depressed or if you want something solution, if there is a person with you, you can be more fun, right? So it is like these AI tools is like a super intelligent human being is with you, like a robot who is seeing you, but they cannot speak, but they can do all other activities what human can do. Like if you want to write something, a story, AI can provide you the movie story. If you want to give a music, AI can give you music. And there's so many tools. We'll go by going into the video, we'll see some of the tools of that AI, and we will see that how we can build a like a application like chat gpt, etc. So what is this generative AI? Generative AI is nothing but a super intelligent human being is with you. Okay. Now if you want to write a story, like if you like if there is a director, you want to write the story, what director will do? He will think the what plot you want to make, and he will sit and he will write all the story, right? So not but AI can provide you the story. If you want to write a story by giving a simple plot, you can give a full story of a film. With that, the time of a director can go and the producer's time will be decreased, and he can make a film. So the tool which like to provide the text to the right is nothing but write me, and there are many tools. So we'll see this tool, writer.me. If you can go into this app, there is a right, you can see that first you have to log in, and then you can go how to describe. Like if you want to describe a girl, if a boy loves a girl, how you can describe to it. So we'll see that if you click the plot, story plot, you want to make a film that to describe a love, to describe the love of a boy to a girl. So here you can see that the plot of the movie. You can see here there is a small town where the dreams of fire. There is a girl named Lily. So she has big dreams. So, and if you want to what you want to make a film story uh, to inspire a young generation, then what you can you can give a plot like to inspire a young generation, and you can click write for me. So it will give you a plot, some plot idea. So it gives different types of stories. So here you can see it gave one of the story, like at first the news of the remarkable, not this. See, the young individuals became a symbol of hope, resilience, like this. Not only story plot, you can give many things like blogs, brand names, business ideas, emails, Facebook, etc. So like now with this, the time of the direct time of the if we were going into the film, you can see the time of the director and producer can be less. If you go into like any writing and making a blog, the time of that person can decrease, right? And not only writer, there are many tools like Jasper and many more for writing the application. I'll provide this link in the description. You can view this. And now if you want to make a image by AI image, how you can make, there is an app. So now we have seen about the how we can make like by giving into the prompt as a text, and it is giving some of the writing. Like if you want to make a like a movie, but you don't get just by clicking the plot. Here you can see that by just clicking the plot, there it is getting all the content you want, right? So like the text generation AI, this is nothing but the text generation AI. Now we will see that image generation AI. Like there are many tools like DALI 2. You can see that DALI 2 and like Mid Journey and Crayon. But when you see like DALI 2 and Mid Journey, there if you see those it like sometime there'll be free trial, and after some time you can see that they're asking the money, right? So here if you see the crayon.com is a image generation AI. So if you this is nothing but the prompt. Here you can create the free AI images by clicking the prompt, like which prompt you want. Here you can see this image, it is so much realistic. Like you can see that this is a this is the same like a girl, but it is a AI generation girl, and you can see that he is like some of the Telugu movie villain. But this is some of the AI generation images, and this is some of the AI generation image, and you can see that I have clicked that a person want to make a film. So if you click that, this is some of the characters in the film. Here, these are the characters in the film. Like you similar images see. Here you can see that some of the here a person who is want to make the film, and here you can see that a girl taking a film. So this is some of the image generation AI, not only like image generation AI and text generation AI, but you can see the many generation AI tools. So it is like a super intelligent human being, right? If you have like this super intelligent human being, what you will do, you will be so fun, and you can share anything with any with Ether or with him, nothing. And after this, now we'll see about the some of the voice recognition AI tools. So some of like moods.ai, which is the voice generator AI tool. Like if you see here, you have to create an account, I think so. So first you have to log in, any AI tool. First you have to log in. So after signing with Google, yeah, you can see that you're opening into your Google account. After opening into your Google account, there is a window like this. You want to create your first project. So by clicking the create your first project, some of the audio, like what audio you want, which audio you want, like podcast or like personal learning, you can create a project. So if I want like personal listening and I create a project, there you can see that it is learning. If you add some of the text here, like here you can see the through, and there are many AI voices. Here the main advantage is that you can create your voice, and by creating your voice, and if you click here, if you add like I think so, if you want to a subscription to add your voice into this, and to click, I want some of Telugu voice. I want this like Dhruv. Let's select Dhruv, and now and some of the text will enter some of the text here, like hi, what are you doing? So if you play here, you can see that if you want to generate an audio for what AI will make the audio. If you click the preview, you see that after clicking the preview. Now if you click, see this is the Dhruv. Dhruv is speaking here. So if you like you want to add your voice into this, you can add like move.ai. If you want something like Mira, and same if you want to click, and the audio is generating. And here the main advantage is here you can click the speed, how much speed you want, and you can add pauses, and you can how much pitch you want. There are many advantages for this. If you click, you can see that here the speaking person is AI, but it's like a realistic that a human being is speaking with you. So here the speaking person is me. You can add so much not only this, what are you doing, how are you, how are you. You can add many things and you can generate this order. It is like interesting, right? Like we see that the people are speaking and communicating with each other, but yet the AI is speaking, and AI is generating audios, AI is generating the images, AI is generating the text for us. And if I say if AI will generate a movie to us, you will believe? Yes, AI will generate movie also for us. So it is the evolving technology right now. Yeah, you can say again building the preview. It's taking 2 seconds, so you can add speed. If you click the speed that I want in a faster manner or in slower manner. So if you want, after clicking, if you click generate audio, you can add so many blocks to it. And like if you want 10 minutes, like if you want to upgrade, like some of the voices you want to upgrade, right? Now I want these many voices, these some of the free trial voices. But you can update how many voices you want. Now if you click see, there is it is taking 3.1 seconds. Before you can see it is 2.7 seconds. So this is some of the voice recognition AI, and there is another AI like Flicky, that is also voice generation AI. And now if I click, if I say that we can create a music with AI, you will believe we want to become a musicians, we'll bathroom singers, right? We'll the only thing, the music can change our lives, right? If you're depressed, or if you're anything, you will sing a song, and you all think that I also want to make a music. So here you can make your own music, like by going into like a Hugging Face, Music Gen. This is some of the AI tool which we use right now for a music generation. This Hugging Face is you listen like GitHub, right? It is also like some of the GitHub media, and here the machine learning. If you want to make any tools in machine learning, you can upload in Hugging Face. Now, if you want to describe your music, like how you want to describe what the music should be, like a pop or a melody or a sad song or emotional song. Here you can like if you want like a sad song, a sad BGM, and if you want to click generate, after clicking generate, here you can add files also, like which melody you want, and what patterns you want. Everything you can add in this. AI is becoming more interesting, and if you play with AI, it is you can play with AI, and you can make more tools of an AI, and you can build this application like this Hugging Face and Music Gen. This Music Gen was created by Facebook. Here you can see that the Facebook has been sent. I think so. He didn't understand the BGM. We'll say that a pop song, like a pop song. If you want to click it, generate. Here you can add like if you want to add a like new movies, you can add here. You can describe your music, how you want to become your music. It is loading, so it is taking more time for to send our a good like a pop song. So I am also becoming more in. I am also becoming interested what song it will get. Here now we are seeing about the video generation AI tools. Here you can see that a line in the jungle. If you generate this video, I think so it will ask some of the, like you can see that it's asking for upgrade. So if you have been paid to it, it will be more fun. You can create some of the images to the video, like a images tools. It will be like you can make a film also here, like some of the video to video, text image to video. Like by entering into some of the prompt here, it will make some of the video. Like some of the by adding image to it, it's adding some of the videos. Some of the I will show you some of the demo of this how it will be look like. Now you can see that here a man is standing here, but it is generating. Here you can see that is like realistic at a man, but it is the age generation video. Now let's see after how it will be like our video. I have given a prompt like a lion in the jungle. So we'll see that how the prompt will look like after giving the prompt. Now you can see that it generated some of the video to us. See if you click here. See, this is a AI generation tool. Here you can see that a lion, it's in jungle. I think this is jungle, and I see the lion is standing here. So it's like fun, right? When we are doing this all. So this is some of the video generation tools, and now we'll see that how if you, there is you want like code generation tools, code tools, right? Now you can see that before we have clicked that music, but our music didn't came right there. Now you can see that how it generated the music. Now if you click here, some of the music, right? This is the music generation AI tool. I think after click after down getting them all the pop song with electric guitar, there you can see that music generation. Now you can see that by clicking into the, if you went to my manjusunkar.ccbp.tech, here you can see that the layout. Now you can will get there is another layout which will come. Here you can see that I have keep my bot name as Ria. You can So here, like Chat GPT works like Chat GPT, but not Chat GPT. I want to say like that. It'll give more accurate answers. You can try this. If the Chat GPT does not work, you can go into this and you can try. And not only this, there are many AI tools, many AI like Chat GPT. It works on the OpenAI, and if you went to Gradio is one of the tool which we have. I have created this chatbot, and there are here you can see that Google Colab. Google Colab we'll write all the machine learning code, and this is the OpenAI. This is the open source network where we can like ChatGPT is the best example of this OpenAI, and this is like LangChain, and this is Gradio. By using this Gradio, I have created this bot and PlayHT. Like what this PlayHT, if you click here, it will give you a response in the voice assistant way. That is this PlayHT, and this is the Hugging Face. Like what is the Hugging Face? It's like GitHub. You have seen GitHub, right? There you can there will be the code which you don't want, and there are many projects, right? So if you build your Hugging Face more accurately, when you're building more accurately, then I want to say that if you create more accurately, then you'll get one of the standards I remaining students like you can get machine learning tools all work in the base of Hugging Face. Like if you do any projects in the machine learning, if you do any projects in artificial intelligence, you can update those all in this Hugging Face, and you can add this into your resume. So if you click that, let's see my chatbot. I went so faster. So let's see my chatbot. You click I. What are you doing? I have not given the PlayHT here. I just use the Gradio here, so it will give like a Chat GPT. After see, hello, I am your personal assistant. I am there to help you any questions. So these generative AI tools, like you have seen that text generation, image generation, voice generation, video generation, and etc. And like we are seeing the code generation. If you like writing a Python program for addition of two numbers, so it'll give you the Python program. So we have seen that these all like text generation AI tools, image generation AI tools, like voice recognition AI tools, music generation AI tools, video generation AI tools. Now we have seen the code generation AI tools. So AI is evolving more and more, and you will see we have seen that it is like a person who is sitting inside, and it's like a super intelligent human being, right? So and in future there are more technologies may come, but in if you go into the AI technology, there will be a future in this. If you work on these tools which I have said, it will be more fun, and it will be you can play with this, and it will be more interesting. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.